Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be creating a stack, cut, and shuffle with the Peaceful Garden suite of products. Is it called? Yeah, Peaceful Garden. So we have the designer series paper, the Peace on Earth bundle, which is the stamps and the dies. And I'm going to be using the embellishments as well. I'm not going to be using the embossing folder, okay? But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Cozy Christmas paper pumpkin kit that's going to create 9 Christmas cards with classic charm. The classic stamping spot is Pecan Pie. And we have the Abundant Joy add-on dies available for $12. The item number is 167855. These dies are going to coordinate with October, November, and December paper pumpkin kits. And I do have a link in the description box below to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you have not already done so. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and your rewards do expire after 12 months of the earning date. Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed with new and used retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking just $35 for each box. Shipping is included. If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. Okay, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get back to our project. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I believe, is stamp. So I have a piece of basic white here that is 3 3/4 by 5. And I'm going to stamp our sentiment on here in Secret C. And our sentiment says peace, love, and joy. So I'm going to ink this up. And I'm going to try to get this straight. Oh, you know what I need? Let me see. I have some designer series paper here. It is 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. And I want to put this on here like this. And that will help me to get my sentiment where I want it. About right there. Looks good to me. Looks pretty good. Okay, so that's all we're going to do on this piece for right now. So now we're going to get our 3 pieces of designer series paper that are all 3 1/2 by 3 1/2. And I'm going to do our stack. Then we're going to get our trimmer so we can do our cut. So I'm going to be cutting these. You guys know I don't measure. So I'm just going to be cutting this on this corner. About to the 1 1/4. Maybe a little bit more. We're going to cut it right there like that. And we're going to take this remaining piece, and we're going to cut it. Make sure you keep them nice and stacked. And we're going to cut this one about right here. Just like that. And we're going to try to keep our pieces in the right order, or the right placement, so that we can put it back together. Okay, so now we did our stack, we did our cut, and it's time to shuffle. So we're going to take this piece and we're going to leave it just like it is. We're going to take this one, shuffle 1 piece to the back. We're going to take this piece and shuffle 2 pieces to the back. Okay, then we're going to move them to the side here. Now I have 3 pieces of copy paper, and they are 3 1/2 by 3 1/2 because I want to make sure I get my pieces all put together correctly. So what I'm going to do is take the top layer of the pieces, and I'm just going to glue them on to the copy paper. And if everything is cut correctly and we lay it down, we should get, the copy paper is just serving to hold our pieces together so that when we put it on our card, it'll be straight. Okay, then we'll just put this one under here. like this. Okay, I'm gonna glue all these together and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have all of these glued down to their backings. So now we're gonna put these two to the side for our other cards. Because you know when you make a stack, cut, and shelf, or however many pieces of designer series paper you have, that's how many cards you're gonna make. So we're gonna get our stamped piece back here, and we're gonna go ahead and add this on. I'm gonna use some Stamp and Seal. As you've seen, I did leave in where I was putting them together. I just sped it up. I did switch from the liquid glue from the first one to the Stamp and Seal because the copy paper doesn't hold up too well with the liquid glue. So we're just going to place this on here and try to get an even border on the top and the two sides, just like that. Then I have a piece of glimmer paper here. This glimmer paper is about 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, I didn't measure it. It's just some scrap. So we're just going to put a little bit of glue on here. And it's probably like 3 inches. It's not 3.5. It might be 3 1/4 inches long. But I'm not quite sure. So we're just going to get a little bit of liquid glue. And we're going to put this right above our stamped image. Try to get it on here evenly spaced. Oh, it might be 3.5. Okay. It looks 3.5. So it's probably 1/8 inch by 3.5. There you go. Okay, so now we need to put this onto some cardstock. We have cloud cover. That is 5 by 3 3/4. That can't be right. This is 3 3/4. This is, no, this is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Goodness, I told you wrong earlier. So this is 3.5 by 4 3/4. The cloud cover cardstock is 5 by 3 3/4. And we're just going to add this on like this. Then we're going to put this onto our card base. Let me get some more glue because this one we have to put the other cards together. And I'm not going to be fighting with that glue for the rest of them. So we're going to take our thick basic white card base that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And we're going to add this to the front. And let me show you, the inside is already done with some cloud cover that is the same measurements as the outside. This can't be right. Let me get a ruler. Okay. So this basic white is 5 by 3 3/4. The cloud cover is 5 1/4 by 4. Goodness gracious. I'll get it right. So the inside is what I was giving you the measurements for. This is 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white is 3.5 by 4 3/4. Designer series paper is 1/2 inch by 3.5 inches. Got it. Okay, so let's put the rest of the cards together. Okay, so I have all 3 cards put together. Now we have this one is Crumb Cake, and this one is Misty Moonlight. Everything else is the same. They just have the coordinating pieces on the inside, but all the measurements are the same. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is add a die cut from the die set. This is the Dove with basic white, and I used the glimmer paper that's a part of this suite is the Peaceful Garden glimmer paper. And we're gonna add a dove on here, and I think I might want to use some ribbon. I'm not sure if this ribbon is gonna look. This is the ribbon, the what is it called? The Misty Moonlight Silver Edged Ribbon. I'm not sure how this would look on here with our dove. I guess we could put a little piece on here. Just have our dove flying across it. We'll see. Let me see. How long do I want it? About that long. We'll just have it like that. I think that'll be all right. Let me trim this in. Let's do 3 more pieces like this. Well, not 3 more, 2 more. So we can get them all done. Okay. So I'm going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals and some tearing tape. The tearing tape is going to be for our ribbon. So we're going to get a strip of tearing tape, just a little piece. Put it about right there. Come on. We're going to put our strip of ribbon across. Now, you guys, this is a last minute addition. I was not planning on that that ribbon, but since, okay, I'm going to go ahead and go with it though, because I do want to try to incorporate ribbon in more of my projects, because I love the ribbon. I always purchase it and then I don't use it, and that's not a good thing. So I have to start using my ribbon. Now, I did die cut those little branches that the doves are holding with adhesive sheets on the back, but I don't think I'm gonna need it to really use it for anything. It's just for it to be glued down to the dove. So we're gonna put our dove flying. I probably could have positioned that better, huh? Let's see if we can get them up. Let's put it like that. Oh, I think I like it. Okay, so let's do the other ones. I'm gonna position the dove a little differently. I just didn't want to pull that up one more time. So we'll put our tearing tape on these two. Put our ribbon on. Hope this ribbon was a good idea. Because since our sentiment is not up here, there's not a lot to put over the ribbon except for the dove. So let me get some more dimensionals, put on the back of the dove. And as you can see, I use different color glimmer paper on this one. It has what they call dark gray, but it looks secret sea to me. They said it's dark gray, so it's dark gray. And on the other two, I used, I think they called it light green. So this one, we'll have it like this. It's about the same, huh? And then we'll put dimensionals on the back of this one, and we're almost done. I need one more little piece. Put over here. Okay, then I got to get the little branch here. The olive branch is what I think it is. And we're going to peel back our adhesive sheet. And we're just going to place this so it looks like the dove is carrying it in its beak. So it'll stick to the front of the dove. We took our backings off. No, we did not. Let's get our dimensional backings off. Then on this one, let's have it flying more like that. Okay. Last thing we have to do is add some bling. And I have the hues of blue flowers that coordinate with this suite. And where's my take your pick tool? I'm just going to add a couple. Let's see, which color do I want to use? Let's use, I think this is cloud cover. Let's use that one. I think we have three sizes or two. Just two sizes. I'm going to put another small one. I think I want to put it down here somewhere. No, yeah. I'm going to put it down there. I know you guys be like, come on, Shauna, put them on already. Well, I'm going to put a big one down there. That one is up a little higher. And we'll put a small one and a big one up here. And then we'll put another big one. Let's put that one over here. Then we'll put a small one and a big one up here. Just like that. And that is our cards, our stack, cut, and shuffle done. Our cards are done. Aren't they cute? This is super cute. I love this. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.